It is a question from chapter 2, question number 12. You have two vectors of magnitudes 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. You can write its value like this and this. Both are the presentation of magnitude. Angle between these two vectors is 90 degree, and you have to calculate number 1, the magnitude of their difference and angle with respect to larger vector. Difference means a minus b, vector a minus vector b, and if you want to calculate its magnitude, then it becomes mod a minus b. In the calculation for the magnitude of their difference, mod a minus b, simply you have to use this formula, root a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Simply you have to put the values of these vector quantities and angles, then you can obtain easily the answers of mod a minus b, 12.8 centimeter. If you want to calculate angle with respect to larger vector, it is also a simple calculation. First you have to draw vector a and b, which are making angle 90 degree from each other. If you want to calculate angle with respect to larger vector, first of all you have to draw these vectors a and b by using head to tail rule. A and b are making angle 90 degree. This is vector a, this is vector b, which is making angle 90 degree from x-axis. If this angle is 90 degree, then this angle also becomes a 90 degree. Now you have to draw a resultant vector to join tail of first vector and the head of the last vector. This becomes a plus b. But here our resultant is a minus b, but we have resultant a minus b, so you have to change the diagram simply like this. This is vector a. If you will draw here this in this direction, this will be plus b and this will be negative vector minus b, and this becomes resultant a minus b. You can say it vector c. Larger vector is vector a, which is equal to 10 centimeter, and resultant vector is a minus b, or you can say c. So angle with respect to larger vector becomes this, and you can suppose it a beta, and this angle of beta can be calculated by using simply sine law. For beta, sine law is a over sine alpha is equal to b over sine beta is equal to c over sine gamma. Here we have to calculate beta, so you have to use b over sine beta, and a minus b is equal to 12.8 centimeter, and their corresponding angles is 90 degree. So we have to use c over sine gamma, and simple take cross multiplication and calculate the value of beta. Okay, thank you. नहीं